Hey there everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Baby Kit Kat 5 here, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can grab Nintendo Switch eShop credits without spending a dime. Yep, you heard that right. Totally free, and it's completely legit. Now, here's the cool part. This isn't some hack or exploit. The eShop store actually receives legitimate payments for the codes you'll get. Here's how it works. You participate in simple activities, like watching short video ads or completing quick surveys, and in return, you'll earn credits. These credits can be redeemed for eShop codes. It's super straightforward, and it's been verified as 100% safe. Let me give you an example. I managed to get $100 in eShop credits just by completing a few tasks that took less than 10 minutes of my time. This method works worldwide and is perfect for all you Switch fans who love getting premium content for free. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's super simple to sign up and get started, and everything I'm sharing here is above board, so no worries about breaking any rules. In fact, this method is backed by partnerships with trusted advertisers and services. Before we dive in, though, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this kind of content. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep bringing you awesome tips like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, head over to the website I'm about to show you. Once there, you'll need to complete a quick registration. Don't worry, it's super fast and easy. After that, you can start earning credits right away. The whole process takes just a few minutes, and once you're done, you'll have access to your free eShop codes. It's that simple. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're a Nintendo Switch lover like me and want to see more ways to get the most out of your gaming experience, let me know in the comments below. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with your fellow gamers. It makes a huge difference for the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have an amazing day, and happy gaming!